Back to air rifles. This is my HW80 or Beeman R1 standing against my Nissan Patrol. Now there's a very good reason for that. If I think of the HW80, the Weihrauch HW80, I think of it being, well, it is the heaviest air rifle that I own. Why is it heavy? Because it's sturdily and strongly built. Very much the same as this 1995 Nissan Patrol. It's also very heavy. Now, if you want to build something to last, the very easiest recipe is to make things heavy. The Patrol has got a huge gearbox and transfer case, extremely heavy old 6-cylinder engine block with not that much power, I might add, and really big differentials. If I have to pick anything to go somewhere really bad, this would be it. And I suppose if I had to, I would not like to be left with that choice, but if I had to get rid of all my air rifles and pick one, it'll probably be this. Now, as strongly as this Nissan Patrol is built mechanically, the body has stood up to the test of time. There's no rust, nothing has fallen off, but it rattles. If I can just show you, just a bull bar. Unfortunately, so does this expensive Weihrauch HW80. Now they built everything so nice and so solid. Why couldn't they just make the clearance on the cocking lever a bit smaller, or give it a shim on either side for that matter? But then again, that doesn't affect the way the gun works.